Okoya. Right now I'm doing science, but the topic is the human digestive system. Stomach. This is the large intestine. This is the small intestine. This is the liver. This is the teeth. This is the tongue. This is the pancreas. And this is the rectum. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Esther Peace Oyakuya. My book is called Jungle Jar, and it's about four kids that explore the plants.
Hello, my name is Folukemi Oyakuya. Right now I'm doing vocabulary, as you can see, and if I press on a word right now, it gives me the definition, an example, which really helps me. And when I'm done, I go and do a revision with my brother and my siblings. Thank you for listening.
Guys, my name's Kayla, and I'm here in the house with my mum and my sister. My dad went to work, and I'm making breakfast for my mum. By the way, coronavirus is actually spreading, and I hope you don't get it, and it's actually real, and please don't be lazy like other people, and do some work while you're at home, and also stay safe and pray to God may you not get coronavirus, and I hope you don't get coronavirus too. And bye. Hey guys, I'm Keisha, and I'm helping my mom to do the laundry.
And today I'm going to be making a smoothie. Here I've got 5 fruit. The reason why is because you have to eat your 5 a day. Here I've got some raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, mango and banana. Now I'm going to have to pop it into the blender. Now it is ready, so now I'm going to have to taste it. And taste some. Yummy. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Andy and I will be doing some science experiment based on the explosion. I will be using some vinegar, bicarbonate soda and some paint just to give it a little bit of colour. Watch and see what happens. Then I'll add some bicarbonate soda. Now I'll add some vinegar, see what happens. Wow, it's exploding. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Messi. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite one. So over here we have a banana, we have a kiwi, we have a pomegranate, we have a plum, we have a honey melon, and we have a pineapple. So my favourite fruit is an apple because it's crunchy and it's juicy. Thanks for watching. Bye.